Skiing is a competitive winter sport which requires its participants to use skis to glide in snow. There are various equipments in ski, but the most important ones are twin-tip skis, designed to move forward and backward, and also poles to help participants balance when gliding. A twin-tip ski is a thin and long type of board, and participants wear them like shoes. A twin-tip ski is the most important equipment in the sport. Throughout ski history, commonly skis are made up of wood and various plastic foams. Over years, participants demanded better improvements in skis which could guarantee their performance and safety. Some issue reported skis breaking. It is not strong enough to handle force and friction when gliding in snow. Metal doesn't provide the same advantages as fiberglass. Metal may seem to be a bit more expensive than other materials. For novice women, rookie, amateur and children, metal skis may be a little bit difficult to maneuver because it is stiffer and heavier. Wooden skis are proven to be lightweight and used by former skis champions. But wooden skis are also proven to have significant disadvantages. As wooden skis are lightweight, it is also fragile and easily scratched and break when it hits hard objects. It is also soft, which becomes one of the factors for it to be fragile. This proves to be a problem, since participants may be injured when skis run over harder objects. The strength of the ski could also be an issue, cause it may affect the participant's performance. The twin-tip skis need to ride on a film of water produced from the friction of the ski board when cutting through the snow. Some materials could poorly provide this because some materials like wood can't effectively handle the friction needed. If it is forced, wooden skis may have the potential to break when used to glide. In the world of modern ski today, twin-tip skis are created using fiberglass reinforced polymer. Fiberglass and polymer is molded together, creating a lightweight and strong component. Fiberglass acts as a reinforcement which supports the polymer in many ways. The molding process begins by placing the fiber in the mold. The fiber preform can be placed in two different ways, both ways, dry fiber or fiber that already contains prepreg or resin. Both ways may vary but still acts in the same way and function for the same purpose. Spray up is a molding method which is able to produce complex component of cutting-edge composites with economic advantages. Chopped fiberglass and catalyzed resin are mixed together before it is inserted in a spraying gun. After it is mixed and infused on a spraying gun, it will then be ready to be sprayed on polymer or plastic. The result of this process is called FRP, which stands for fiberglass reinforced polymer or plastic. There are several benefits of using FRP, which is 1. Longer lasting. Fiberglass reinforced polymers last longer than other materials. It doesn't age too fast and rust, which makes it very strong. 2. Less expansion and contraction towards cold, heat and stress. It is also waterproof, which makes it perform excellently in wet sports such as water ski, boats, kayak, canoes, ski and snowboarding. In fact, some soccer shoes are also manufactured with FRP so players could still perform well when it's raining. FRP is also tough and durable, which prevents it to easily break. It is also lightweight and corrosion resistant. Despite the advantages, FRP also has some disadvantages. FRP has a high raw material cost, which makes manufacturers produce less products. The fiberglass reinforcement also suffers a lot from stress corrosion, because the product itself is designed and forced to prevent corrosion, so effects like aging might be the result. It also lacks of ductility, which means it prevents the material to stretch under tensile stress. This material cannot be stretched into any kind of wire. Fiberglass manufacturers generate hazardous air emissions, solid wastes and water wastes. These wastes are very dangerous for humans living nearby. It has a serious impact on humans' health, so manufacturing fiberglass might have environmental factors. Manufacturing fiberglass are not cheap. Today, fiberglass products may be found almost everywhere. But actually raw materials needed to create fiberglass is not cheap at all. Because of this, most manufacturers stopped manufacturing fiberglass products.